Imagine you have a magical money tree. Every time you shook it, a few notes would fall. No effort, no work. Just shaking a tree and money appeared. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, while we can't offer a literal money tree, we can offer something almost as magical, vivid money. Have you ever wished there was a simpler, more rewarding way to manage your finances? A way to grow your money without the hassle of complex banking systems? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Vivid Money, a revolutionary financial app that's changing the way people think about banking. From easy account opening to exciting features, we'll guide you through everything you need to know. Vivid Money is more than just a bank account. It's a financial ecosystem designed to make managing your money fun and rewarding. With a sleek interface and a range of features, Vivid Money is perfect for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. Benefits of Vivid Money. Easy account opening. Setting up a Vivid Money account is a breeze. Simply download the app, provide a few basic details, and you're ready to start exploring. Customizable cards. Choose from a variety of stylish debit cards that match your personality. Cashback rewards. Earn cashback on your purchases at participating retailers. Savings goals. Set and track your savings goals with ease. Investment opportunities. Explore investment options tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Community and education. Connect with other Vivid Money users and access financial education resources. How to open a Vivid Money account. Download the app. The first step is to download the Vivid Money app from your app store. Create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You'll need to provide some basic personal information. Verify your identity. To ensure security, you'll need to verify your identity. This can usually be done by taking a photo of your ID. Fund your account. Once your account is verified, you can fund it by adding money from your existing bank account. Additional tips. Explore the app. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the Vivid Money app. Discover all the features and tools available to you. Set up notifications. Customize your notifications to stay informed about your account activity. Join the community. Connect with other Vivid Money users on the app's community forums. Seek support. If you have any questions or encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Vivid Money's customer support team. Vivid Money offers a fresh and exciting approach to banking. With its user-friendly interface, innovative features, and commitment to financial education, it's no wonder that so many people are choosing Vivid Money as their primary bank. So, if you're tired of traditional banking and ready to take control of your finances, Vivid Money is the perfect choice. Download the app today and start your journey to financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.